Start. The petitioner, by way of the present writ petition, impugns the order dated 13 December 2006, passed by the CAT in OA number 30, whereby the tribunal has set aside the dismissal order of the respondent herein and has directed his reinstatement but under deemed suspension. Liberty was granted to the petitioners herein for proceeding further in the enquiry from the stage of issue of charge sheet in accordance with law. It has also been directed that on reinstatement the respondent herein would be entitled to all consequential benefits. For the sake of convenience, the applicant before the tribunal is being referred to as the respondent hereinafter, and the Union of India and others are being referred to as petitioners. The brief facts necessary for the present condition as culled out from the original application filed by the respondent before the tribunal are that the respondent, who was an ex-Subedar in the Indian Army, was employed at the Golden Fish Canteen, Bulandshahr, UP, wide appointment letter dated 30th May 1998 to the post of a manager. The respondent was confirmed on 8th February 2000. The respondent worked up to 31st March 2001, whereafter an order was passed on the said date relieving him from the service. The respondent brought to the notice of the petitioner that removing him from service without any justification was violative of the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Union of India versus Muhammad Aslam AIR 2001 SC 526, and on his oral representation the order relieving him was recalled and the appointment of the respondent was restored as a manager, wide letter dated 13th April 2001. The respondent gave a representation to the canteen management on 1st January 2002 regarding some irregularities in the canteen by the new manager, and his complaint was signed by the entire of the staff canteen. He also made a confidential complaint mentioning the irregularities and misappropriation in the canteen to Commander Headquarter Meerut, Kent. Another representation dated 15th March 2004 on similar lines was sent by the respondent to the headquarter Bareilly. The headquarter issued a notice to the Meerut canteen seeking para-wise reply. On 14th May 2004, a letter was issued asking the respondent to appear before the disciplinary authority on a working day. The respondent was made to sit in the office of the disciplinary authority, but no opportunity for leading the defense evidence or cross-examination was given. As a result of these complaints representations, the canteen manager Lieutenant Colonel D.S. Sirohi was replaced by Colonel Baswan on 4th April 2004. However, this led to the senior officers, including these managers, developing a grudge against the respondent. It is the case of the respondent that, on account of this, false allegations were leveled against the respondent that he has used filthy language against the army officers, and on 27th April 2004, a one-man inquiry was directed without any charge sheet. So thanks guys, please like, subscribe our channel.